Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to complete the whale prep pace quest for the upcoming Call of Whales event in Heartopia. Before you begin, make sure you have already completed the underground tremor quest, and after that, you'll be asked to collect signs from different town residents by completing the quest they give you. And if you want to complete the Bill's quest, just go to Bill. He's at the fishing village, and then you're going to take the quest, and the quest is called Lighthouse Lens Small Function. And as you can see here guys, that we need to submit 3 rare timbers. I've already collected them, so I'm gonna immediately submit the rare timbers to Bill. And after that, you will get the Light of Guards item from Bill and also the sign. That's so cool. Okay guys, and that's how we can complete the Bill Prep Pace quest for the upcoming Call of Whales event in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!